So all I had to get was a one air freshener, which is pretty much what everyone did, I think, in the Killstar Anonymous Addicts group. And they've Killstar Anonymous Addicts, Killstar Addicts Anonymous. That is the blooper cut. It is so cute. Woo! I won't show you that, but there's another 50 euros off. Now I have two of them. Da 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 da. Okay. I don't think I was rambling. Led Zeppelin told me to. Anyway. So.
Hope you had a good day, greetings.
Ah. Greetings and salutations, my name is Aura Cult and welcome to my sanctuary. For those of you who are coming back to my sanctuary, thank you very much, and if you're a subscriber as well, thank you for supporting the channel. And if you're new here and this is your first video, then you're in luck, because it's going to be a big one and it's going to be a Killstar haul. But either way, everyone is welcome, hope you enjoyed the video, and without further ado, let's unbox the thing. So I have a very big box. This box is so big because there's this really one cool item that I wanted to get, and it's not even for me because I'm so selfless and giving. But the reason I got all of this stuff anyway is because there was a sale. Of course there's always a sale, and they did 30% off on literally anything as long as you throw in one of the bat collection things, and by bat collection is anything with bats. So pretty much everyone on the Killstar Addicts Anonymous group got, like, I think the bat air freshener, which is like, I don't know, 250 euro is what it was for the European store. And I threw that in and got all the stuff I wanted, so I got more really cool clothes and the one big item. So let's just unbox this baby and see what's in there. Ooh. It is big. Okay, I got it. I got it, almost. I know you can't see anything, but it's a really big box. So, done. Ooh, let's start with the big item. I think we would have had to start with a big item anyway, because everything is in the big item because the box is actually empty. I don't know if you can guess what this is straight off the bat, considering its size. But I will tell you right now, it is a piece of luggage, and I already have the coffin suitcase, which is adorable. I just have it in plain black. Woo! Oh my god! It is so cute. Woo! I won't show you that, but there's another 50 euros off. Now I have two of them. I'm not keeping it. I'm not keeping it. It's a birthday present for a very special person. He films the videos. Don't tell him. Anyway, I think everything else is in there, but this is like really cute, and obviously it has one of those handles, and it looks about the same as that coffin one. So now we're kind of almost matching, a skull and a coffin. Perfect combination. I'm being told that this is actually bigger, which is kind of silly because obviously I need the bigger suitcase because I have more stuff. Me packing is, yeah. Ugh. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see what's... Ooh. Okay. I don't know, I think it looks about the same. It might be a bit wider in the sort of top part there. So it has a pocket. That's all my stuff, which I will get out so you can see there's that there. More stuff. More stuff. But yeah. So there you have it. And obviously it's on wheels and everything, and they spin in any direction. So that is absolutely beautiful. And now, who we have to thank for all of this is this little bat there, which is that car air freshener, which cost, you know, barely anything, but gave us the ginormous discount. So that's that one. And next we have Office Riot Vest Pinstripe, which I sized up. If you haven't seen my last Killstar haul, I'll put it up there. That's where I was told to size up in their, new range of office wear, especially this range here. And I already have the matching sort of pants. Yeah, so I got this in an XL, and there will be a try-on of that. So again, it has little upside-down crosses, and it unbuttons. Wish they had buttons like this on the pants, and that wouldn't unbutton as easily. But I probably will wear this. Yeah, so that's the back of it. I will definitely wear this over a shirt, because, well, it's very short and it's super revealing, so nobody goes to the office like that. And probably with a jacket, I did get a jacket, so it'd be pretty cool to check out how all of this fits. I'm sure many people are wondering. So there's that one. And now the next one here is the Dark Island button-up shirt in XL. So this is a present, so I'm not gonna unwrap it, and it goes with the suitcase for the birthday. So I'm just gonna leave it in, but I think everyone has seen these. It's that sort of aloha kind of range where you have the flowery pattern, and it's probably all sort of cotton. But we will update you on that one, if that fits or not, and measurements and stuff like that, I guess, after we actually open it, but that's not until the end of October. Next we have Office Demon Jacket, again pinstripe. So this was to go with the pants I got in that previous haul, because I definitely need to wear something over them. I'm sure this is going to be ridiculously short, but I guess we'll see. I'll try them on together and with the vest as well, just so you can see. But this is what that looks like. It is crazy short, but those pants are super high-waisted. And it has this sort of, it's kind of like a full leather kind of detailing. Again, it has some upside-down crosses and things like that. I got that in XL as well, because sizing up. And what else can I say about it without trying it on? Ask this question on the Killstar Addicts Anonymous group. There's a button here, and the reason that is there is because this comes with suspenders that you can sort of hang off it. I probably won't do that, but it's good to check that they are there. I will show you what I mean in the try-on. I probably won't use them, but yeah, they're like big upside-down crosses one, like similar with the pants. So we will try that on. And again, all of this, and well, apart from the full leather sort of parts, I still can't quite tell what that's made of. It does feel like full leather, but really, really soft. That's actually pretty good quality. Both of these are probably 100% nylon, similarly to the pants. And last, but certainly not least, I wanted some of this office stuff, but I really wanted the suitcase, and I really, really wanted this jacket. When I saw this, I was in love with it. I mean, I like the pinstripe, but this is next level. I'm hoping it's beautiful, and I'm hoping it's really well fitted. So I think I got this, I'll check what size I got this in, because it doesn't say. This is the Testament office jacket. This is from the new cross collection, so this has upright crosses. It is quite synthetic, is all I can say. But it looks really cute. It has a pointy collar. What I really liked about it is the sleeves, because it has these sort of vampiric, almost, pointed kind of sleeves, so that if you can see that, how longer and pointy this side is, and that's the side that's going to be here. And it has like really cool cross detail. And that's the same with the buttons on the front of the jacket. It's a bit crinkled now, so it's really hard to show you, so I'll show you in the try-on. And look at the back, there's like this cool little frilly part that looked beautiful. It's very simple, very elegant. Ah no, I got this in an L. Man, I take risks. We shall see how that goes, shall we? that was it. What did you guys think? I think even sizing up some of the officey things is still a bit of a tight fit, and they're all quite short, so be mindful of that. So we had the demon jacket. That was the one with the suspenders. You can actually, and I did show it in the video, you can change where you hang the suspenders off, or you can take them off entirely, up to you. Quite nice quality again. It's sort of very thick nylon, so it's probably not summer friendly, but I think most of the world is now going into autumn winter anyway, and for us down here in New Zealand, Australia, we're going into summer, but we still have, in New Zealand, the spring is pretty much like autumn anyway, so, you know, today it was raining the whole day, so nylon is fine. Similarly with the Office Riot Chain Vest, that was, again, on the thickish side, but there's not much to it, and I will probably wear a shirt under it as I was doing in the video, so, you know, I'm already layering anyway, so it's not like I wanted to wear it in summer or anything like that. I mean, you totally can, if that's your thing, but it's for me, it's a bit, well, to the office anyway, it's a bit open. I think they're quite original. There's nothing quite else like it. Maybe Punk Rave has a few things like that, but I think that whole set, and again, I probably won't wear them together. I might wear the jacket with the pants. I was just trying to sort of show you the whole set, but it would be overkill to even put, I think, the vest on top of the pants, because you have that leathery strap and then you have the suspenders sticking out from the pants. It's a bit much, and I don't think the suspenders from the pants you can even take off, but as separates they would all work well, and the jacket and the pants will go together fine as well, so I'm quite happy with those. Then we had the Testament office jacket. That was really nice. I really liked it. I probably should have sized up on that as well, so be mindful of that. It is tight, like it's tight, and I got the usual L that I normally get on top, but I'll put, as usual in my videos, all the measurements of all the items in the video will be down below. The only item we didn't quite open was the Dark Island short sleeve shirt, which is for the man. So we will tell you how that goes. Hopefully it'll be fine, but it looks really nice. It looks like it's that sort of summery cotton kind of quality, which should be fine. And we have the suitcase. The suitcase is so cool. It's like totally Masters of the Universe. You do lose a bit of space with all, you know, the hollowness of the skull, but it looks so cool, and he always prides himself on packing really light. So I guess we'll see, but that means less extra space in his suitcase for me. So that's a bit annoying, but otherwise you can see the difference in the measurements and, you know, with the coffin suitcase, because I think they never actually, I'll double check and post it under the video if they did post the measurements of the skull suitcase, but I don't think it was there when I originally got it. Either way, we'll put the measurements of both the suitcases down below so you can sort of compare if you're interested in those. I'm quite pleased with this haul. Everything fit, more or less. And yeah, it all looks really good, and hopefully the quality will be okay as well, so if anything happens I will update you in some later video and say that was a total disaster. But for now, actually, even with the pants which I tried on that previous big Killstar haul that I did, I felt better about the pants this time around. I didn't feel as insecure that I will pop out of them, which is strange because I don't think I've lost any weight. In fact, quite the opposite probably since that video. Overall, I've lost a lot, but it's up and down. Could have been slightly looser, but what can you do? I think it's still pretty good. I can get away with wearing most of that, so I'm quite happy. Hopefully you liked the video and found it helpful. I will, as I said before, put all the sizing down below for you, so if you want to check any of that out, or if you have any additional questions, please let me know down below in the comments. If you have any comments of already wearing some of these items, also let me know. I'll be very interesting to find out how it's all going as well. In general, if you want to ask me anything or talk about anything, comment down below. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, hopefully you like the video and stick around and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Probably when this comes out we might have already hit 400 subscribers, because at the moment we're really close to 400 subscribers, and I'm so pleased about that. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. Pleasure to have you here. Have a pleasant time of day wherever you are, and greetings and salutations to you.